This week, Hoyt and I challenged ourselves to camp alone out in our backyard. We failed miserably at setting up our tent, so we are extremely grateful for the helping hands from our family. Tonight I am having a very simple dinner, and it is honey chicken with yellow bell peppers. Being around the campfire is surely one of the best places to be on a chilly night. It was around 10:30 as Hoyt and I started to settle into bed. Now Hoyt has his own little space just to the left of my sleeping bag. As I woke up the next morning, I can hear the birds chirping from my tent. I was so eager to get out there and to listen to them. Looking towards my right, I saw the sun slowly beginning to rise. It had colors of orange and yellow. It was truly amazing to see. How to sleep?
So one of the most important thing for me in the morning is coffee. I have to have my coffee. So today I am going to try to heat up some water to get some coffee going. But I forgot pour over. So I think I'm just gonna have to drain the grounds or something to make it work. But that's what we're gonna have to do for some coffee. So we're gonna get Hoyt's meal started. I'm really just gonna heat up some water to pour over his kibble because kibble is dehydrated. So that's what I'm going to do. I finally have my coffee now. You can see it, but it's my coffee. Alrighty. Let me go grab his kibble and I'll be back. Here, boy. Hi, buddy. Hi. I have a little treat for him. So, these yams. I pour the yams over his food as like a food topper, and he loves it. So I'm just gonna get that going while the water is steaming up. You ready? Ooh, sit. Good buddy. Alrighty. Okay. There it goes. Is it yummy? Do you like it? ball going. You gonna play fetch? You ready to play fetch? Hoyt is excited, huh? Yeah, but you can't have any.
One of the best things about being outdoors is the ability to be in unity with all that surrounds you, the ability to feel everything under your feet. Nature encompasses the beauty of equanimity. When life gets crazy, my soul feels heavy, I often find myself out here, with my dog, with the coffee in hand, going back to the simple things in this life. Talk about the reality of owning a dog and going on these adventures. I don't know if other dog owners have this issue, but Hoyt had a very hard time settling for bed last night in the tent.
He's looking for a way out. So I'm gonna wait for him to settle down a bit.
He was very uneasy. He kept whining and just pacing around. And ultimately, I had to go and grab his kennel. And because he is kennel trained, he was able to settle in his kennel for the night. And he slept there while I slept in the tent. It's not what, I wanted to do. And when you go out into the woods and you go on these adventures, you do want them close to you as possible. One, for protection, and two, just for safety purposes. Now, our goal this summer is to hit different trails and campsites up north of Wisconsin. But with that being said, this is something that Hoyt and I are going to have to work on. And so I just wanted to share that it's not as easy as these videos make it look like, or as aesthetically pleasing as it does. There are still things that we need to work on. And you can probably almost hear him right now. There he is. He's in the kennel because he's not able to settle in here, but I just need to come on and tell you guys that it's not as easy as. As always, thanks for watching, friends. Take care, and until next time.